Have you ever seen a place left empty and forgotten? That's what abandoned means. It's a powerful word because it tells a story of neglect or leaving behind. Abandoned means left behind or empty, often without care or attention. It can describe places, things, or sometimes people. A common mistake is to confuse abandoned with ignored. Abandoned means something is left and not cared for, not just overlooked. Common patterns include abandoned house, abandoned car, or abandoned dreams. We often say to abandon something and to be abandoned by someone. The old building was abandoned years ago. She felt abandoned when her friends left. They found an abandoned puppy on the street. The project was abandoned due to lack of funds. A little girl found an abandoned kitten by the road. She took it home and gave it love. The word abandoned showed the kitten's sad start before hope. Think of abandoned as a van left alone on a road. The van is empty and forgotten, just like the meaning of abandoned. Remember, abandoned means left behind and empty. Try using it today, and comment your own example.